a knife. So I'll just cut a straight line first. Okay, and then 8 inches over. And I'm just going to take this one and pop it on top here. Okay, now the thing that's going to take a little while is actually kind of sitting this up there and waiting for the chocolate to set up a little bit. I find it a little easier if we just take a little bit of fondant, just a dark color. I'll just dip it in the chocolate like that and actually put it on top here and a little bit on the other side. That's a little bigger, isn't it? Okay, and just kind of put it in a V in the center, like that. And then we will take some chocolate, and just take a brush and pop the chocolate on that. Okay. Now what was the top is now going to be the bottom. So it's going to go on like this. And you know, I think it needs to be cut down a little more, so I think I was right the first time. 3 inches. I'm just crazy like that. I'd rather cut less off. And okay. More chocolate. And I put some over here. Now you're going to have to hold this for a few minutes until it starts to set up. Just like that at that angle. If you have one of those, if you have the, and we'll have to clean up that inside there in a sec. If you have the cold spray, you can actually spray it with the cold spray. It'll set up quicker. Another thing you can do is actually set it like this and put it in the refrigerator, which these lights are so hot. Thinking that might not be a bad idea. So I'm going to just set it like that and actually pop this in the freezer for a second, because I think with these lights it's not going to set up. Okay, since I have the roof off, I may as well do some of the scoring that I was going to do on it while it's down here. So I'm just going to take the knife like this and come across and just do kind of crazy old squiggly lines. And then come down this way. Then I won't stress it out as much when it's actually on there. If you want them totally straight, just put a ruler up against there. But I kind of like things a little more on the rustic side. There we go. Get rid of some of that. Try not to touch it too much because of the heat of my hands. Okay, looks good. All right, now this side I still had, that's some of the chocolate or that fondant that was up there, so that goes on that side. Take some more chocolate. I'm going to coat some in here so that it makes that seal, the whole seal all the way along a little bit stronger.